No, it wouldn't fit like I need it to fit. Cause baby, if don't nobody love you, you got to love yourself, okay? You got to love yourself.
Let's fly away, just you and me. I need a little break from the city. It's been so long since we've been gone.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to 86 Ambrosia. It's your girl, Jen. That's with one J and two N's, and this is my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here and this is your first time ever clicking on a vlog by your girl, Jen, welcome. And thank you so very much for clicking on that thumbnail that brought you into this unboxing, this luxury unboxing featuring the Yves Saint Laurent Lou camera bag in quilted leather in the color dark beige. Oh my gosh. So last week I featured the Laurent sandals by Hermes, and I did a whole unboxing on my channel, so I will leave that vlog down in the description box if you missed it and you enjoy luxury unboxings and reviews and things like that, or even if you're interested in the Laurent sandals, I'll definitely leave that vlog down in the description box. So before we get into this whole luxury unboxing, guys, I do want to say, in the words of the great Maya Angelou, a woman always has the right to change her mind, okay? A few weeks ago that I actually posted a video featuring 7 luxury items that were on my luxury wish list for 2022. In that luxury wish list vlog, guys, I featured 2 bags that I thought that I just really wanted because they were cute. They were nice bags to look at, right? But as soon as I got into the research and then I started to do that thing that I do where I visualize my highest self so that I can show up as her every day, and I thought about my aesthetic, I thought, you know what? No, it wouldn't fit like I need it to fit. So with that being said, guys, let's jump right into this luxury unboxing. So first things first, guys, of course, I want to share with you the packaging, how my Lou Saint Laurent was shipped to me. Has it got tissue paper in? No, they don't have tissue paper. Okay, getting into the actual box. This would be my Saint Laurent Lou camera bag, which I'm about to take out for you. I have a card that I know is to myself because I always get that. And then back here, I have the invoice or the receipt from my purchase that would be inside of this here. And now we get to the fun part, which is unboxing and seeing the one bag that knocked my other bags off of my luxury wish list and is now like my go-to for spring and summer. So let me unbox this. Let's just see what she looks like. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right, guys, so as you can see, I have my camera, well, my iPhone, excuse me, set up down here in the lower half of the screen because I'm also filming an unboxing reel for Instagram. So make sure that if you're not following me over on Instagram, that we link up over there. I really do enjoy you guys on Instagram because we converse in the DMs. You guys leave me comments, you ask me questions. So make sure, guys, that if you're not following me on Instagram, you follow me over there. Also, if you notice, I'm kind of moving a little slow because I'm trying to mask my nails. I have a nail appointment coming up this week, as a matter of fact, in 2 days. And so, like, you know, I just couldn't wait. I'm sorry, I just could not wait to unbox my bag. I was not going to just wait on my nails because I'm ready to, you know, pull out my spring bag, you know. It's my coin. Yeah, it's my coin. So guys, I have unboxed the Lou camera bag by Saint Laurent, and I am just absolutely in love with the color. Like, I don't know what color is coming off on the screen to you. This is a beige color. It is a dark beige color or a dirty beige color, and I'm saying that with emphasis on the fact that it is gorgeous, right? This is the perfect color to go between a brown bag for me and for my wardrobe and how I style myself. So to go between that Pochette Métis LV bag that's a dark brown, and then to have a black Gucci Marmont bag. This bag, it fits into my wardrobe. It fits into my aesthetic just perfectly, guys. I absolutely think it is so adorable. Now for me, guys, it's something about beiges and creams and taupes and whites and certain shades of browns that just look more regal and more expensive. I love a clean aesthetic. I love clean colors. I love the nudes, and I love all of the colors that fall within that family. So having a bag of this color lets me know that based on my style, I'll be able to wear this with a multitude of looks. All right, so what I did was I went and grabbed my Gucci Marmont shoulder bag in a size small. This is a part of a collection that my baby got me for Christmas, this past Christmas. So if you haven't seen that vlog, I will definitely link that one down in the description box, because he got me several pieces from Gucci to start me a Gucci collection. So what I'm doing is kind of putting them side by side so that you can see in a size difference between the two, because they're both quilted leather or matcha lace shoulder bags. So just looking at them, my YSL bag, my new YSL bag, is maybe about 1.5 to 2 inches taller than the Gucci Marmont bag. As far as the weight is concerned, I do have this filled up, which I'm going to show you what all fits in my new YSL bag. I do have this one full, but even with it full, it's very light. This leather here is soft, and so is this leather. So one thing that I love about it is both of them make for the perfect everyday bag. So now that I've showed you, a comparison between the Marmont and then the Lou camera bag, let's actually see the inside of my new YSL dark beige bag, and let's see what all I can get to fit in here. Of course,